Okay, I know, because I've read some of y'all's comments. Y'all are so mean. Y'all think I'm that crazy Uncle Fester. And I'm crazy, but I'm a good crazy. I'm the lovable crazy. Now look, right here, this level, this part of the floor is the most level in my garage. The slope to here and back, that doesn't matter because I can tilt the bike forward like this. So right here it's kind of balanced, so that's perfectly vertical and level this way. Look at this right here, the seat. It slopes down. I think that the front forks need to be longer. And because we want to replace the front fork assembly and no one's come up with that mod yet, I'm going to be the one to do it. But I might need, I am going to need y'all's help. So let me finish showing you what I'm thinking here. Now, remember that TV show? The Motorcycle Family? They used to mock up motorcycles and stuff before. That might be too much. Here we go. Ooh, that's balanced. Now, look at that. The back still got a little bit of a rake to it that way, just to make sure it's put the level on it. Oh yeah. I could bring up the front another inch or more. But it almost looks level. So if the front forks on the bike were that much longer to get me at that height there, the bike looks level, and now I can still flat foot it comfortably from a seated position, but I don't feel like I'm stealing a 9-year-old's bicycle, you know, like this. That's just minimum. I mean, I'd be cool going up even a little bit longer for a little more of a chopper look, but that's a minimum. That's going to really change the ergonomics of the bike. It's going to give you more foot clearance off the ground for here and your pedals. You're not so low to the ground. I think Tora Juiced Bikes cheaped out on a shorter length front fork than what they needed to, or what they should have done. Doesn't that just look so much more? I can't tell you how much better this feels just sitting here flat-footed, looking forward, perpendicular to the ground, versus the way it is normally. I'm gonna call it 3.5. And then I'm gonna see if I can try to get this up a little bit higher too. Like so heavy, just getting it up, mocked up like that. Now, what does that look like? Now that looks really level. Looking at the seat, now this part of the seat is level and it's got a little bit of kick up like this. Look how much I fucking shortchanged this on the front forks. That bike looks so much better sitting there. Off the ground, you got a little bit of slope on the lower A-frame. And sitting on this, I'm 5'11", 30 to 32 inseam, depending on how long I like my pants. That feels really good right there. So I just added another inch of foam, 5.5. I need front forks that are 5.5 inches longer. That might even give us more suspension, but depends on how much money you're willing to pay. 5.5 inches longer is the holy grail. Help me find that, all right, people? Don't you think that looks better? Leave me comments. We're all in the same problem together. Oh yeah, that looks awesome right there. That looks good. All right, man, see ya.